Hershey's Dr. Craig Meyers has found a virus that kills breast cancer cells in mice, yet leaves healthy cells alone.
For me, as a scientist who's taught to doubt everything, it was really the final moment where I said, this really could work. We do that for...
I interviewed Dr. Meyers in 2011 when this was only working in a petri dish. For this now to be working in a living, breathing being is big. It works against the most aggressive breast cancer cells, and it works fast.
And after we injected, the tumors first stopped growing, and then they became, they had massive necrosis, massive cell death.
When we first met Dr. Meyers almost 3 years ago now, he badly needed more funding or his groundbreaking research would not move forward. When the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition saw our story, they promptly wrote him a check for $100,000.
And that really has been instrumental in keeping this moving. If it wasn't for this, we wouldn't be talking right now.
Yet, even with such great success, the battle to fund this research isn't over.
It is a very difficult situation. It doesn't matter whether it's breast cancer research, any type of research right now in the United States and most of the world is very difficult.
Pat Murphy, president and founder of the Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition, says this: Dr. Craig Meyers and his team at Penn State Hershey have made profound discoveries that may lead to a cure for this disease. The Pennsylvania Breast Cancer Coalition will continue to fund his efforts, and we congratulate him on this latest achievement. Once additional money does come in, another round of research will be done on mice. That's required. The hope is that in a year and a half, the FDA will allow Dr. Meyers to begin human trials. And for him, this is personal.
I raised 4 sons, but now I have 3 granddaughters. You can see pictures all around my office. And, you know, so granddaughters and daughter-in-laws and a wife, you know, this is a disease that's going, you know, by numbers, is going to affect one of them at least.
And that was Alicia Richards reporting. Again, the virus called AAV2 leaves healthy cells alone while destroying breast cancer cells.
Now, if and when human trials begin, maybe around 2016, local women who volunteer will be welcome to participate.